Understanding the phrase, sunny day. Hello dear learners. Today, we'll dive deep into a simple yet interesting English phrase, sunny day. This phrase not only describes the weather but also holds a deeper emotional meaning in English culture. Let's get started. A sunny day is, quite simply, a day when the sun is shining brightly in the sky. It means there are no or very few clouds blocking the sun. On such days, the outdoors is typically bright and clear. Example, it's a sunny day, so I'll go for a walk in the park. While sunny day describes the weather, it's also used metaphorically in English. A sunny day can mean a day that is cheerful, happy, or full of good vibes. Example, even though he faced challenges at work, his positive attitude always made it seem like a sunny day. There are a few expressions in English that use the concept of a sunny day. 1. Save for a rainy day. This means to save something, often money, for a time when it might be needed unexpectedly. The opposite of a sunny day, a rainy day, is used here to denote a challenging or tough time. 2. Make hay while the sun shines. This means to make the most of a good situation or opportunity. Here, the sun or the sunny day represents a favorable circumstance. 1. Descriptive, it's a sunny day, so I decided to wear my sunglasses. 2. Wishful, I hope tomorrow is a sunny day. 3. Metaphorical, her smile can turn any gloomy moment into a sunny day. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase, sunny day. Whether you're talking about the beautiful weather outside or expressing a feeling of happiness and positivity, this phrase is versatile and heartwarming. I hope you'll now use sunny day with more confidence and understanding. Happy learning!